Now let's continue the second raster here for georeferencing, that is DMS, degree, minute, second, and right click here and add to current map, and yes. Okay, let's right click here and zoom to layer. All right, so we have here, okay, we will register 1, 2, 3, or maybe 4 here. So let's do it. Imagery, georeferencing, and click control point and add control point and scroll down. Zoom in and shoot the intersection. Shoot the intersection there. And scroll out. Zoom out, I mean. Right click and check here, show coordinates in DMS. So this is the longitude, that is 94. Hit your tab in your keyboard to jump into the next box, and we will enter 18 and tap again 0, and we choose E here for Eastern. And now for the latitude, we click 4, tap 36, tap and 0, and we choose the N for north, and okay. 1 and 2, and again it's gone. Okay, we will shoot as close as possible, and boom, this is 101.12.0. So right click here, show, (101.12.0) E, and 0, 0, and 0. Okay, and go. Click here, zoom to layer, and there. The DD grid is okay. Let's hide it first. I will hide it or remove it. And we can see now, we can see only 2 points, and the raster is fit. Okay, but let's put the 3rd point here and click, zoom out, find the coordinate value. Yes, 101.12. 101.12 and 0, tap 4, 3, 6, 0, and okay. Now let's pick this one, or we can move to this one. It's the same. Okay, I will try not to fix that one, so I will try to create another one here. And scroll out, zoom out, right click, and choose show the coordinate, and 94, 94, 18, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Do we need to fix this? What do you think? because it is like it is far from here. Okay, no problem, just add another one and right click 101 12 0 and 0 0 and 0. Okay, we will delete this. Okay, so let's check. Okay, there, so delete this selected one and go. Now it's perfect. Don't forget to save, and I will copy this text here for save as new one. Let's scroll up. Okay, here georef, that's good. Just paste here. Grid, TIFF, or all lowercase, and save. It's good. The coordinate system is good, and the output format is TIFF. Okay, and export. Now it's there. Okay, just remove the JPEG, and we don't have to go back or return to Windows Explorer to del everything, just like we did in the DD grid, so we can save our time. I mean, if you still need to see those operations, you can see the previous the video, of course. So now we have successfully georeferenced the DMS grid. And okay, I think that's all. Thank you.